check out this bubble candle and bath bomb set because it is adorable. Really great little gift. It's from Casa Essentials Boutique, and I'm just going to show you what comes in the box. It comes in a nice little gift wrap box. I'm going to just show you how nice this is up close. Just check that out. Comes with a nice little, you've got everything in that and a little card as well. So really cute. And I'll just show you these guys up close. It's got some, like as soon as you open the box, whew, smells really good. Smells amazing. So I want to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. It makes a nice addition. I love taking baths. So this is your candle. Isn't that adorable? Up close, little cute little candle. Oh man, it's so fragrant. And you've got this second candle here, which has got kind of an ombre pink. You've got an ombre purple candle, kind of nice. And then you've got the bath bombs, and these bath bombs are, they're wrapped really well. So they're shrink wrapped, so they're not gonna have any issues. And this one, it's even got some little flowers in there to add onto your bath. So really cool, really cool. And again, it's got these cute little flowers in between, you know, little decorate. So it comes in a really, that box, just the presentation is super nice. Really great gift, especially to your ladies that love baths like I do.